Welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing another phone. This is a LG Versa, which I already have like 2 of these. So I'll probably putting one on eBay or something, but this one has the box. And who doesn't love a phone with a good old box, right? There it is. Doesn't seem like we got a lot of accessories with it, which I don't think we did. Looks like we got the stylus, owner's manual. Yeah, that seems to be about it. His little stylus looks pretty weird. Remember, it comes apart like that. There we go. But I have the keypad and all that stuff already, so here it is. This one's actually in really good shape. Seems to be dead. No SD card. No battery. I guess that's why it wouldn't turn on. So yep, this is a quick little unboxing of this phone, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned for the next one.